Hello guys and welcome again from Vlora, Albania. Today's plan was to go to the old town, well still is to go to the old town, but the plan was to go to the old town about 3 or 4 hours ago and be filming down there all day, but unfortunately due to the weather it's not a fantastic day for doing that. And also, yeah, it's a bit cold as well. It's not awfully nice to be walking about today. When it's windy, it's pissing it down. And also just yesterday there were big sandstorms, which is quite unusual. I doubt there'll be sandstorms today because the beach is wet now. But the wind started yesterday before the rain, and because it's been so dry, the beach literally blew away. I think I'll go to the beach now. There'll be no beach left. There'll be no sand left. The whole beach just literally blew away. And all night last night, constantly gusting between the mountains and the sea was literally like half of the beach. So I took a walk outside to the shop. I had to literally put our t-shirts against our mouths because like constant sand everywhere. We're going to try to get to the old town somehow. We thought we'd get a taxi, but it seems in Albania Bolt doesn't work, Uber doesn't work. It seems like literally there's no taxi companies which work. Still very much old school in terms of getting a taxi. Very much just, I don't know, flag a taxi down, give them 1,000 lek or something, and they'll take you where you want to go. So yeah, gonna try and get into the old town and film a little bit before it gets dark, but we'll see. Wish us luck. So guys, finally got out of the house. Still quite windy, but at least the rain stopped. Taking a walk now into the centre, into the old town. Dead today, the streets. And yeah, it's only today when we don't have good weather that I realise how lucky we've been over the last 20 days. We've had such fantastic weather, non-stop sunshine, and it's only today that it's like this. But it's not bad. 1 day out of 20 like this, I can live with that. Found a little cafe where we've came to, and outside it is pissing it down. Got a mosque here, Central Mosque. Thank you very much. Beautiful black coffee. So I stumbled across the old city of Vlora, the old town. Beautiful kind of, I'd say, Italian style street. And it's absolutely dead, which is actually pretty strange. Because now as I speak, it's a Saturday night. So Saturday night, the main street in the city, and yeah, it is dead. What's going on? Where's everyone? A few trendy bars. And with the Albanian flags, it reminds me a bit of Turkey. In Turkey, they have Turkish flags absolutely everywhere, and in Albania too. Everywhere you look, Albanian flags. Very, very proud nation, it seems. I can guarantee you guys now, if we were in Corfu, Old Town, it would be rammed. Not so far from here, Corfu, and the Old Town is actually pretty similar. I bet on a set tonight that place is heaving tonight. Here for some reason it is absolutely dead. Myself a glass of wine. Yana chin chin. Cheers. Not bad. Quite a dry wine. Let's have a look outside. And some walking sticks. Blood. Shut out here. Waiting for my ravioli. Having a read about what Vlora has to offer. Do some modest dancing, it seems. You can go on a boat. Wow. We can sit on a hill. Oh my god. So we've got here, guys, a pumpkin ravioli with prawns. Smells good. Not massive to be honest. Could have had a bit more, but let's give it a go. That's pretty good. Not massive, like I say, but what there is, it is tasty.